Alright, let's settle this debate. Oanda versus Forex.com. You've probably heard of a million opinions, but let's cut through the noise and get to the facts. Trust me, you'll want to watch to the end so you don't miss out on the real lowdown. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor and this isn't financial advice, so always do your own research before you dive into trading. Now let's get into the nitty gritty of two heavyweights in the Forex game, Oanda and Forex.com. First off, both are highly regulated by top-tier authorities like FCA, CFTC, ASIC, and more. You're trading in safe hands. Oanda's got that long history and a clean compliance record, while Forex.com part of the public company StoneX, which means institutional level infrastructure. Let's talk spreads. Oanda's got a spread-only model starting at 1.4 pips with no commission on EUR or USD. Forex.com, they're offering a spread-only model at 1.2 pips or raw pricing with super tight spreads down to zero point 0.0 but with a $7 commission per 100,000. Oanda's got your back with one free withdrawal per month. Forex.com will pay fees for both domestic and international withdrawals. Also, inactivity fees. Oanda charges $10 after 12 months of no activity, while Forex.com charges $15. So plan your moves carefully. Platform-wise, Forex.com offers MetaTrader 4, 5, and their own web trader with tools like advanced charting, VPS hosting, and research. Oanda has MetaTrader 4 TradingView integration and a simple, easy-to-use platform that's for beginners. Forex.com's got over 84 currency pairs and 5,500 CFDs, so if you're a serious trader, it's got you covered. Oanda, it focuses more on Forex with around 68 to 71 pairs and a few CFDs. If you're in it for the Forex action, it's great. Customer reviews. Forex.com users mention occasional service issues and withdrawal delays. Oanda's had some complaints about funding challenges with admin fees, while Forex.com gets the edge on reliable space data, no pesky chart gaps. So which one should you choose? If you need ultra tight spreads, a massive asset range, and advanced tools, go with Forex.com. But if you want simplicity and transparent pricing and a smooth mobile experience, Oanda's got your back. Make your choice and trade wisely.